Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'll show you how to install ClouDDy app to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So to install the ClouDDy app, what you have to do on your Hisense Smart TV is to locate your app store and launch it. Now, your app store should look the same on any Hisense Smart TV because all Hisense Smart TV work on the video operating system. So as you go over here, what you have to do is just go over to the search button and type in a name application, which displays is ClouDDy. So just go over here, type in CLO. So then Y. So that's the name application. Just click on search, and it's going to bring you to the application. And here's over here, ClouDDy, and click on it once. It's going to bring you to the installation page on your Hisense Smart TV. It should look the same, guys. If it doesn't look like this, then you are somewhere else. So click install, and the application is going to be installed. I'm going to ask you to choose the position to place it, which you will do, and then you can go ahead and launch the application and use on your Hisense Smart TV, as I all showed you in this video. So that's about the video. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.